Good morning. I want to show you a tool that's unique to MediRoutes that will allow you to better manage your business each day. This is called our revenue report, and it allows us to see how much money your organization will make based upon the schedule created. So we're looking at a screen in a fictional company where I've created a schedule for tomorrow. Everything looks good, however, I want to do one last check. I want to see how much money my company is going to make if I use this schedule. So I'm going to go over here to the left and click where it says revenue. Now this will show me how much money we'll make tomorrow if I use the schedule I just created. Over here on the right are my totals, so you can see we're going to take in $2,335.10, and I'm going to drive a total of 1,001.5 miles to earn that revenue. Therefore, my average revenue for all those miles would be $2.33. I'm going to use 9 vehicles, and on average, each vehicle will make $259.46. Over here, it shows me how much revenue each vehicle will generate. I can see vehicle 100 is $309, vehicle 19 is $199. But down here in the middle, and by the way, I can sort by revenue, so now it's on the top, is I have one vehicle, number 6, that's only making $74.44. Now, in my company, we've decided that we never want to send a vehicle out for less than $100 if we don't have to. Now, that's a number you would determine based upon your own operations. But in my fictional company, we've decided that we never want to send a vehicle out that's going to make less than $100 because it won't cover our costs. Therefore, I want to see if I have another option. So I'm going to go back to the schedule. I'm going to find vehicle 6. There it is, and it has the 2 trips assigned to it, a wheelchair and an ambulatory passenger. I'm going to unschedule those trips. And then I'm going to use the shopping feature. The shopping feature will show me every other vehicle I can put that trip on where the vehicle has capacity and can stay on time. That's very important as we don't want to create issues in the field. The first option that it suggests is vehicle 9. It shows that it will only add 10.8 miles to this driver's day. I'm okay with that. However, I could go to vehicle 7, but that adds 29.3 to their day. Typically, we're going to pick the shortest distance because shortest distance equals greater revenue per mile. So we'll go ahead and move that trip to vehicle 9. Now that I've moved that one, I'm going to shop the second one. And now I have an obvious choice because those 2 trips were bundled together to begin with. I can add it to vehicle 9 again, and it adds 0 miles to this driver's day. So that's an obvious solution, right? We'll get paid for that trip without any additional miles driven. So I'll go ahead and put that on there. So now that I've moved those 2 trips to new vehicles, I'm going to take vehicle 6 out of service. I'm going to refresh so I get updated revenue numbers. And now, if I look at my revenue, the top line revenue stays the same. However, I'm going to drive fewer miles. Revenue per mile went from $2.33 to $2.36. I'm only running 8 vehicles. My average went up to $2.91. But more importantly, as I look at my trips over here, the least amount of money I'm going to make on any vehicle is vehicle 19. I'm going to make $199.60. And then it goes to 202, 224, 250, 309, 323, 324, and 500. So now I'm very comfortable with the schedule and revenue I'm going to generate for each one of those vehicles tomorrow. So this is a great tool that will allow you to manage your business at the operational levels to ensure that you're making your revenue goals at the vehicle level. Hey, we appreciate you taking the time to listen to this. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see the complete demo of the MediRoutes product, please email us at info@scheduleviewer.com.